Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Diaries with Sav. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do this mask friendly makeup. It is transfer proof and mask friendly. See, this is a clean mask and I am applying the mask now. You can see it's transfer proof and also mask friendly. In today's situation, when we are stepping out, mask is a must have. So I have created this mask friendly makeup today. So without any further ado, let's get started. Always start any makeup on a cleansed face. First I am using a toner. It is plum green tea toner. It is alcohol free and good to control excess oil and acne. Apply lip balm also. For moisturizer, always take a water-based or gel-based moisturizer. Strictly avoid cream moisturizers as it has oil content. Gently massage the moisturizer into the skin. For primer, prefer a mousse texture primer. I am using Lakme primer. Gently dab the primer on the T-zone and spread the remaining to the face. Leave a minute gap after each product. For foundation, go for a liquid foundation with lightweight formula. I am using Sugar liquid foundation. Dot it all over the face and blend it with a flat top blending brush. I have kept all products very minimal, so I have used only one brush to apply every product. Take time and blend the foundation all over the face and neck. Always take very less quantity and blend it really well. I am not using any concealer here. If you want, you can use a concealer only on your under eyes if necessary. Now comes the trick of transfer proof makeup. It is a loose powder. I am using a tinted loose powder from K Beauty. You can use a translucent one also. Press the loose powder all over the face and neck. Avoid compact powder because it will make the base look heavy, oily and cakey. For blush contour, I am using the Sugar Face palette. Just pinching the brush to apply contour. First placing the product and then blending it properly. Avoid cream contour. Always use powder blush. Avoid cream blushes. Smile and apply the blush on the apples of the cheek. Blend every product really well. Highlighter, I am using a stick highlighter from Palladio. It gives a very natural finish. Applying it to the highest points and blending it with my fingers. Now apply the loose powder once again on all over the face gently. This helps to lock the base makeup and keeps it transfer proof. For eyebrows, I am using Miss Claire eyebrow cake. Fill the eyebrows from the middle and draw the arch. Then fill in the gaps if necessary. Blend it with the spoolie to get a natural finish, and it also removes any excess product. Applying the same blush as eyeshadow, it is a subtle shade. Blending it with the fingers to give a shadow in the crease. You can easily carry this look for a daily basis for office or college going people. finishing the eye look by drawing a basic eyeliner and applying 2 coats mascara. Always apply a liquid lipstick with matte finish. I suggest sugar lipsticks as they stay longer. Avoid creamy mattes or satin finish lipsticks. Now you can see my base is transfer proof and doesn't look heavy. Here comes the original test. I am wearing the mask. Just making sure that the lipstick has completely dried or not. You can see that there is not even any traces of makeup on the mask. I'm not changing the cotton at all. You can see I have sweated a little bit. So you can see the base is locked completely. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.